Hey, welcome! So, I heard you want to make an educational video. That's great. And I want to help you by sharing my experiences with you. So, in this video, I will address the actual process of how to prepare yourself, at least how I prepare myself for recording an educational video. So I think I will make it in the most general way. So if you're searching for specific informations on translations for Khan Academy videos, for example, I think I will address those topics in another video. And in this one, I will just look at the general steps. Okay, so bad luck for you. If you're not searching for this video, your search has to go on, and I will now start with my 4 steps of preparation, or of my 4 steps of recording, I would say. So yeah, there are 4 steps, but we could argue about one. So it's actually it's the first, and I will present it to you now. So I will call it the 0 step, just because, well, some will take it and some not. It's a preparation phase. That looks bad. Preparation phase. Hopefully you're not surprised when I say something like, yeah, you have to prepare it and you have to know what you're going to talk about. Preparation phase actually is the phase where you read papers about what you're going to talk about, or watch some other videos or something like that. For sure, it's depending on how familiar you already are with the topic. But I think some preparations are always necessary before you're starting to record your video. One short thing, what you can do in this preparation phase is write yourself a really short outline. I don't know, 2 or 3 points, not more than, 10 or 12 words or something like that. And please do not write yourself a script and just read it off while you're recording. That is pretty bad. I will address this topic of how to speak in a video in another video, but so you already heard about it. So now you're prepared or not for your video. At least you know what you're talking about, and we go to the next step, and that is get your brain going. So hopefully your brain is always working, but what I mean by that is prepare those areas in your brain which are involved in the process, or in this kind of thinking you will need when you will record your video. So for example, if you're doing some mathematical videos, just do some math exercises, or think through this mathematical proof, or something like that, just so this special brain areas are already active. And I think it will help minimizing mistakes when you're actually recording the video. So with that said, your brain is now active, and we can go to the next step, which is, well, by definition the most funny one, and that's getting into the mood. Getting into the mood. Okay, what do I mean by that? Well, essentially, I think you should be, happy, cheerful, or something like that. Nobody wants to hear a video from someone who's, stressed or in a hurry or something like that. So you should, and that's the point, you should laugh before you press the record button. So I know it may not seem that easy, or at least I cannot just laugh right off the spot. So I do help myself. Most of the time I go to YouTube and watch those funny baby videos. When someone is tearing up paper and the kid is already always laughing about it. It always helps me, and right now just the picture in my head is sufficient for getting me laughing. So the point of phase number 2 or 3, you know, is that you should laugh before your video, and you should have this happy mood, or this cheerful mood throughout the whole video, and take the first laugh, so to say, just before you press the record button, just at as the beginning of your phase of good mood for the next 6, 7, 8 minutes, you know. So your brain is working, you are cheerful, and now comes the actual phase you want to get to, the recording phase. You know, I will not talk about it that much in this video, just because it's so much I have to say about it, that I will do it in some other videos. Well, one remark in this one: when you're recording your video, just do it in one rush. If you're making mistakes in between, it's no problem. Just record the whole video in one rush, evaluate it afterwards, and if it's really that bad, then you can start over and just record a new one. But most of the time, at least that's my experience, on my own and while working with other volunteers recording educational videos, is that you are always overrating your own work, and especially you're overrating your own mistakes. So just record everything in one rush, evaluate it afterwards for yourself, and if it's really awful, just do a new one and start with the recording phase start with number 2, just because those baby videos are so funny. Okay, that's the point I want to make here. Record all your videos in one rush, and try not to pause it, and do not try to stop it after each mistake and then start from the beginning. It's pretty bad. It will not help you, I promise you. Record everything in one piece and then look at it and choose what to do next. So okay, I think that's all for this video. I hope it's helpful, and well, see you in the next video.